Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dimitris Theodoropoulos and today I'm going to highlight essential skills that are vital for a successful developer career. Developers, beyond technical proficiency, should emphasize on building soft skills. A great developer excels in teamwork, mentorship and stakeholder communication, ensuring a successful delivery of a product and fostering a positive work environment. Effective communication lies at the heart of a successful developer, from conveying ideas on an interview or a meeting to collaborating with diverse teams. Clear and concise communication is crucial. If you are in the higher levels, try to foster an environment of continuous improvement and development. Try to give as much as constructive feedback as possible. If you are in the lower levels, try to seek for that feedback in order to improve. Map out your career in advance. Try to identify strengths, weaknesses, and think where you want to be in 6 months, 1 year, 2 years. Try to create that plan. Now let's go to a very important topic: impact. Developers showcase their value through tangible contribution, whether it is driving a project to completion or providing ongoing maintenance. They leave a lasting impact to organizations and teams. And it's really important because if you have impact in an organization, it's very likely that you get promoted. So try to have impact within a team. Successful developers prioritize learning and skill development. They seek out challenging projects and they stay updated with the industry trends to remain competitive in this evolving tech space. Prioritize hands-on training over theory knowledge. Aim for quantity at first and try to slowly increase the quality. Try to improve over time. So as you get to the higher levels, because you will write less code probably, you want to try to write quality code. Now you're in the junior levels and you try for quantity. Accept that discomfort in software engineering. Try to seek out new things, try to learn new technologies, new programming languages, go and explore new projects. This will help you evolve as a software engineer. Go outside your comfort zone and just try and build stuff. Recognize that mastery in a computer science field or in a programming language, it's a journey. It's not a sprint, it's a marathon. So try every day, bit by bit, and you will slowly improve. It's not an overnight success, it's everyday work. Last but certainly not least, it's always anticipate the future tickets. What do I mean by that? Try to build your code now in a way that will seamlessly incorporate the future code. What do I mean by that? For example, you want to create an error notification system that displays only error messages. There might be a future ticket that will display warning messages or info messages or a successful notification. So try to create a mechanism that will incorporate all those, and it's not only an error notification system. Try to think outside the box and try to see what's coming in the future months. This will ensure seamless and smooth transitions between tickets and overall efficiency increase. That was the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.